for putting the post in the ground today. And these holes were brutal. Lots of roots. If you rent a post hole digger for your project, I suggest getting it for the whole day. We tried to get it done in 4 hours, just didn't happen. On to the last post.
Get out of here.
Last post. And then the hard work is over. Well, the hardest work is over. Yep. And then we'll be on to doing the framing.
Yep, beams and joists.
Alright, we've leveled the posts. Now we're getting ready to cut them. And then the beams and joists are going to be going on. Stay tuned. Ta-da! All right, the beams are in. Today we're gonna go for the joists and see how far we can get. All right, so we got the beams and getting ready to do the joist. So we're getting past the harder parts. All right, we're on to planking now. Getting closer. We just got to screw the planking down completely. We got it set on the edges. And we got a little bit of more support to build in here. And then we'll finish it up. All right, we're starting to put the stairs on and the railing. Almost done. Well, we were trying to put the stairs on and the stairs fell and hit my foot. So be careful. we got the post up yesterday. Today is the final steps, the railing. Once the railing's on, that's probably all we're going to do for this year. We maybe put lattice board or something underneath, but next year probably continue the walkway all the way around the pool. But for this year, this is just going to have to do. All right, this is it. It's done for this season. Put some noodle padded railing. Made it all colorful.
Protect from splinters.
There we go, everybody.